I hope you guys are doing well. So today we will be looking at the Remesh modifier. For it we'll actually need Suzanne's help this time. So I'll just delete the default cube, shift A, add in mesh and the monkey. I'll just tap into edit mode and give it a little bit more subdivisions, but it's still the same as Suzanne had. I'll just add modifier and then generate, and then I'll go into remesh modifier. So I'll just go from left to right in this. Before we continue, please consider subscribing. Only 9% of you are actually subscribed. My goal is to reach 2.5k subs by the end of this year, and drop a like and a comment while you're at it. The blocks one is just for I guess fun, or if you want to do a Minecraft sort of style. The scale actually starts turning everything into cubes. Okay, so basically wants to turn everything to cubes. So you can actually click on smooth shading, but I don't think that's a good idea with this one. You can increase the octa depth to increase this number of cubes. Okay, it can give you Minecraft sort of results, and you can also change the scale of the cubes to see what kind of size you want. The lower the value, the bigger the cubes will be, and the higher the value, the smaller the cubes will be. The octa depth, typically your system might be able to handle 6, 7, 8 at best, maybe 9, but I recommend actually being careful with this modifier because of all the options. Okay, not just this one, it can cause your system to crash. So this one is for Minecraft sort of style, and you can click on smooth shading, but again it isn't doing much. And you can obviously edit the threshold to see how it actually affects it. But again, also this mode is selective option. But let's just say I'll just type into edit mode, shift A, mesh, and then I'll add a cube, scale it down, G8, move it on the side, and I'll still subdivide it because I wanted to have some sort of that. If I click on remove disconnected, okay, it actually basically ignored my cube, but if I turn this option off, my cube is still there. So if you have something that is really small in value, or maybe as you can see when the octa depth is decreasing, it actually moves the ear slowly. So you can actually have these disconnected object with variables. Then there is the smooth option, which is basically if you you can actually have this, and smooth and sharp options are basically the opposite. Sharp actually wants to keep the sharpness up, and you can again mess with the octa. My system is actually currently screaming right now, so the octa to work with that, and smooth is basically wants to make everything smoother. And again, you can mess with the scale to see what kind of result you want. The maximum value I think is 0.99. It can change, and if you change the octa depth, you can see that it's slowly chipping away the mesh. And if you are going the sharp one, it's actually making them sharp, but you can see the vertices are not that deep, but with this one, so they're more smoothly out. The Volvex one is actually the I think the most useful one of them, because it is used for, as you can see, creating meshes that sort of resemble and tries to make them out of quads. If you have some a really bad model from let's just say Sketchfab or somewhere, you can actually use this to turn them into quads. But be careful, again, your system can easily crash. You can just go ahead and mess with the adaptive setting. It can make the thing look low poly, but with the same shape. You can actually then apply maps and stuff on them to get better result. Like let's just say you have a high poly map, but on a high detail map, but you need a low poly mesh. You can use this option to basically maintain the Suzanne shape, but the end result will actually look high poly because of the map. So it is very useful. Remesh is quite useful. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and watch another one of my videos, as that's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.